So here it's written as a word problem. So we have to write our equation, and it says the square of a number increased by twice the number is 48. And it takes some skill to be able to read this and write the equation. So we don't know what the number is. This is what we represent with our variable. So let's call it x. And then over here, we'll also call it x. Now these are kind of phrases. The phrase, the square of a number. That means our unknown number squared. So that's how we get the first part, x squared, the square of a number. Increased by. This increased by means you're adding an amount. And that amount, or the point here is that you're adding. So the square of a number increased by twice the number. Twice the number is 2 times the number. That's how I get 2x. The word is usually represented by equals. So is 48. So real quick, let me rewrite this problem. The square of a number increased by twice the number is 48. So if you have any questions of how to do this, please call me over in class and I'll see if I can explain it a different way. But I'm just decoding these words into an equation. And now we solve this equation. But before we can start factoring, we need to get this 48 on the same side as the rest of the quadratic. So let's subtract 48 and put it over here on the left side. Then I have x squared plus 2x minus 48 equals 0. Now I can solve like I have been. I'm going to leave the list up to you. So fully find out all the problems, try to find the factors that are a distance of 2 apart. So there's many factors of 48, but the ones I think I need have something to do with 6 and 8, because 6 times 8 is 48, but they're a distance of 2 apart. Now it needs to be negative 48, so let's try, negative with the 6, and then we'll try negative with the 8. It's going to be one of these two factors. If you combine these are positive 2. If you combine these, it's negative 2. So the combination I need is the one that adds to positive 2. These two. And then we will set that equal to 0 and set this equal to 0 and solve. Okay.